Imagine turning your Mac into a full-on video studio. That's exactly what Final Cut Pro lets you do. In this tutorial, you're going to learn step-by-step how to take raw clips and turn them into polished, professional videos. We'll cover editing on the timeline, trimming clips perfectly, adding titles, transitions, effects, music, and even color correction. All of this is easy to follow, even if this is your first time editing. Get ready to unlock the full power of Final Cut Pro and start creating videos that actually look like they were made by a pro. Open your Mac, launch Final Cut Pro, and let's jump straight into it. Open Final Cut Pro. Go to File. New Library. To create the main container for your entire edit, enter a clear library name and choose a save location. Ideally, an external SSD for faster performance. Click Create and your new library appears in the left sidebar. Inside the library, Final Cut automatically creates an event, which will hold your media and projects. Use one library per major project. Keeps things fast, clean, and organized. When importing later, choose Copy to Library for a safe, self-contained project, or choose Leave Files in Place if you want to keep media on an external drive to save storage. Now create your editing timeline. Go to File, New Project. Give your project a simple, recognizable name. In the Video Properties section, choose 1080p resolution, ideal for beginners, 30 frames per second frame rate, standard for most content. Click OK and your empty timeline is ready for editing. Click the Import Media button in the top left corner. Navigate to your video, image, or audio files on your Mac. Select the files and click Import Selected. Your media appears in the media library at the top. Highlight the timeline at the bottom. This is where you edit your clips. The viewer is at the top center. Preview your video here. The inspector panel is on the right. Adjust clip properties here. The toolbar has icons for selection, trimming, blade, and zoom tools. Familiarize yourself with these panels. Knowing where things are saves time. Drag your video clip from the media library into the timeline. Trim clips by dragging edges to shorten or lengthen. Move clips by dragging them along the timeline. Use Command+Z to undo mistakes quickly. Trim clips before adding effects. It keeps workflow smooth. Select the blade tool with B to cut clips at specific points. Use the select tool with A to move or delete segments. Zoom the timeline using Command+ or Command-. Keep clips snapped. It avoids accidental gaps. Click the Transitions browser on the right. Drag a transition like cross dissolve between two clips. Preview by pressing the spacebar. Use minimal transitions. It gives a clean, professional look. Click Titles and Generators on the top right. Drag a title style to your timeline. Double-click text in the viewer to edit. Adjust font, size, and position in the inspector panel. Keep text readable and consistent with your video style. Click the Effects browser icon. Drag an effect onto a clip. Blur, color correction, or cinematic effects all work. Adjust effect settings in the inspector panel. Subtle effects look more professional than over-the-top filters. Select the clip you want to adjust. Click Color, Inspector, then Color Wheels. Adjust exposure, saturation, and color balance. Preview the changes in the viewer. Small adjustments look better than dramatic changes. Drag audio or music from the media library into the timeline. Trim audio to fit your video. Adjust volume in the audio inspector or by dragging the volume line on the clip. Keep background music lower than dialogue to maintain clarity. Click Share, then Master File. Choose Video and Audio. Set resolution to 1080p for beginners. Click Next, select the Save location, then Save Export to a folder that's easy to find, like Desktop or Videos. Select the clip you want to animate. Open the inspector on the top right. Find the property you want to animate. Scale, position, rotation, opacity, crop, or audio volume. Set the playhead at your starting point. Click the small diamond icon beside the property to add your first keyframe. Move the playhead. Adjust the same property again. Final Cut. Pro automatically adds the second keyframe. Press Ctrl+V to open the video animation panel. Here you can drag keyframes left-right to change timing. Right-click a keyframe to choose smooth, linear, or hold motion. Use smooth for natural movement. Hold for sudden jumps without animation. Use keyframes on audio to create precise dips or smooth volume fades. Use keyframes on color adjustments to create gradual exposure or temperature changes. Preview animations frequently to fine-tune pacing. Select multiple clips in the timeline. Right-click and choose New Compound Clip. Name it and click OK. Edit the compound clip as a single unit. This makes managing effects and sequences easier. Perfect for complex sequences or grouped effects. Select a clip. Click Modify, then Retime, or use the Retime menu, choose Slow, Fast, or Custom Speed. Drag the retiming bar to adjust speed precisely. Slow motion creates cinematic effects. Fast motion works for time lapses. Select your clip in the timeline. Open the inspector and switch to the Video tab. Scroll down and turn on the stabilization checkbox. Final Cut Pro analyzes the shot and applies the best method for you. If the result isn't what you want, change the method menu to Automatic, Inertia Cam, or Smooth Cam, and fine-tune it with the smoothing sliders. With the clip still selected, move over to the Audio tab in the inspector. In the Audio Enhancement section, enable Noise Removal and drag the Amount slider to clean up background noise. If there's a steady hum, turn on Hum Removal and choose either 50 or 60 Hz. You can also try Voice Isolation or the denoiser if it's available in your version, which can make dialogue much clearer. For the best results, apply stabilization to a shorter, cut-down section of your clip. And when removing noise, make small adjustments. Too much reduction can make voices sound unnatural, so always check with headphones. Select a clip. Go to Effects, then Masking Tools. Draw a shape mask or apply a color mask, combine it with other effects for creative results. Great for highlighting subjects or creating cinematic compositions. Final Cut Pro has powerful features for all levels. That's it. You've learned how to create and organize a project, import and edit media, add transitions, titles, effects, and music. Color correct your clips, use keyframes. Create compound clips, adjust speed, stabilize and reduce noise, use masking for creative effects, export your final video. If this tutorial helped you, hit like and subscribe. Comment below if you want advanced Final Cut Pro tips next. Start creating amazing videos today.